Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. In this video, we're looking at our small church project, and this is a reflective ceiling. Laid this out already. We should have the good idea. Okay, that's at 9.6, and it's 2x4 ceiling. So now what we need to do here, we need to create another drawing here because we don't have our mechanical HVAC. So now what we do here is just go into our plan views here. Where are they? Come on, where are they? You don't want to hit reflect the ceiling, and here I want to hit this duplicate that one. Okay, so I'm going to rename this guy here to rename this to level 1. It's going to be HVAC RCP HVAC reflective ceiling plan. So I'm going to OK there. And so now we have an extra drawing here that we'll need to work. So we got our ceiling that's still intact, and now we got this new one. So now with this one, we want to go ahead and grab our view template here. And we got a mechanical ceiling. That's the one we want to keep there. I want to untick that box. View range. Let me see. I'm going to leave that there. I got another idea for that. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't do it. Yep. View templates, apply view template, mechanical. Okay. All right, so now it darkens up and lightens up. So now we brought this in because we want to show our diffusers. So to show your diffusers, your return exhaust, so we would go into our insert. We want to load family here. And we've got our, so we want to take this one, this. We don't need the round, we may use the floor one. And we're going to load this guys in. Okay, so now it's just a matter of placement. So I want to go into my, should be here in my systems tab, terminals. Let's see the terminal properties here. What we got? Oh geez, come on now. What the? Okay, you don't need to worry about those right now, but those are your settings. So here I'm gonna just grab this one, and it says no, yes. I'm gonna say no because there's already one loaded here. I don't know why that does that like that. So I'm gonna go into my component. Architecture place component. So here it's the floor. I don't want that one. I want to use the 24 by 24 supply. So these are going to use supply ducts, terminals. So we're going to put one there. I have one here. Real simple with this. We'll need one here. I think we'll need one there. One there. Let's just put one here and here. So that's pretty much how you do that. It's very simple. I want to get one in here as well. And one over here in this kitchen. So that's how you do that. Now, then we want to do our return. I'll do that one. Do that. So then we'll do a return. So go component here again, supply, and I want to do return 24 by 24. Yep. And that's going to be marked with the single line. So let's just do a couple of these. Let's say one here, one here. Let's put one over there and there. I think that's really all we're going to need. Now here, we want to see the unit in this area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do an overlay or underlay here. I'm going to make this level 1 here so we can see what's going on here. Okay, so there's our mechanical unit right there. And then it's just a matter of laying out your system. So basically you just take this guy here and then you want to edit this mechanical. And then you want to select your equipment here. The ducts work, you want to edit the system, then you go here and add these guys in to that. So you go add here and you pick up these ducts. So I'm gonna leave it there, folks. We'll pick up the rest of this in another video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you how to create an HVAC and lay out your diffusers and return vents in Revit 2023. Thanks y'all. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye y'all. Be safe.